little thing we have here with ultrasonic sensors. So I have a customer who is using the APG sensor, and you can see with the operating range, 1 to 25 feet gives you 4 to 20 milliamps. So the thing is their tank is 12 feet tall. So we're using a Red Lion PAX meter to show the level display, and we've also setting up some outputs. So I just wanted to go over a little spreadsheet I made to try to help out getting this data correct. So let me switch this over, if I can. All right, so we're going to go to okay, so now you see my tank level calculations. Excuse me. So if my sensor low limit was 0 and high limit was 100, and then I put in the real world measurement, let's say if it was, let's just put this sensor in. So we're looking at 1 foot, 1 foot and 25 feet. But we only have a 12-foot tank. So from the sensor, 12 feet down, you're going to read 11.33 milliamps. So 11.33 for this tank would be empty, because we're measuring from, say, the top of the tank to the bottom of the tank. So that would be the empty point. And then another thing you can do, so we can also do, this would be inches. So what we did here is we said the low limit of the sensor is 12 inches, which is from the face of the sensor. That's the closest you can measure for the specs. The high limit of the sensor is 300 inches, 25 times 12. So if my input of my meter is reading 11 milliamps, my real world value would be 138 inches from the sensor face to the material. So we'll do this again with feet. So that's showing, it rounds up a little bit, it looks like. So if I'm reading 11 milliamps, then I'm 11 and a half feet from the sensor. So there's a half a foot left in my tank. All right, that's it. I'll be glad to share this spreadsheet with you. There are apps out there that does the same thing. Problem with apps is sometimes I don't have cell service, but I've always got my computer there. So I built this to help me out. All right, have a good day.